Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete Facebook account without password. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook login page on your browser or app. Then here, log in your username and tap Forgot Password under the login box. And here, enter your email, phone number, or username linked to the account. Follow the steps to receive a password or reset a code by email or SMS. Use the code to create a new password and log in. And once logged in, go to your settings and privacy, and here click the settings and tap Account Center, and here go to personal details. Then select the account ownership and control. Then tap deactivation or deletion. Choose your account, then tap delete account and confirm. And that's it. You've deleted your Facebook account without knowing the old password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.